guys, Mike Martin here from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Danchuk Trifive Nationals. We're catching some exclusive drag racing footage. This is one of the main attractions of the show. Not only do you have beautiful cars, but you got some seriously badass cars just making some incredible runs, doing some incredible times. So just kind of sit back, enjoy the moment. This is what it's all about. This is America, buddy. Tri-5s and drag racing and all that comes along with it. Just wrapping it up here, the racing action here. We're getting ready to make the top 25 announcement. So guys, we'll come back to you here in a minute as we wrap up the racing, and we'll get ready for the top 25 announcement. This is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Danchuk Tri-5 Nationals in Bowling Green, Kentucky.